If walls could talk, they'd probably ask, "Why am I still here?" The modern homebuyer isn't looking for a maze of tiny rooms. They want space, light, and the feeling of freedom that comes with an open concept home. So if you're still living in a house that feels like the 1990 sitcom set, let's talk about why it might be time to go open concept. Number 1, the illusion of more space, even if you have too much stuff. An open floor plan makes any home feel bigger. Even your furniture collection rivals a small showroom. Without walls breaking up the flow, your living area, dining space, and kitchen blend seamlessly, making your home feel expansive. And if you have too much stuff, well, that's what stylish storage solutions and a good yard sale are for. Number 2, better for entertaining, because who wants to be stuck in the kitchen? Ever hosted a party and feel like you missed the whole thing because you were stuck in the kitchen? With an open floor plan, the kitchen becomes part of the action. Whether you're whipping up margaritas or prepping the perfect charcuterie board, you'll never be left out of the conversation again. Your guests can mingle without feeling boxed in, and you'll actually get to enjoy the fun. Number 3, more natural light. Say goodbye to cave-like living. Walls block light. It's a fact. But an open concept home allows natural light to flow freely, making your entire space feel brighter, airier, and more inviting. If you live on the Space Coast, you already have the gorgeous sunshine. Why not let it shine through your home too? Number 4, a more functional layout, because who needs a formal dining room anyway? Many older homes have designated spaces that rarely get used. When was the last time you ate dinner in your formal dining room? Open concept homes create multifunctional spaces where every square foot serves a purpose. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, a work from home spot, or a play area for the grandkids, your home can adapt to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Number 5, better resale value, because future home buyers want an open concept too. Let's talk about your investment. Open concept homes remain one of the top features buyers look for. When the time comes to sell, an open floor plan makes your home more attractive and possibly more valuable. And speaking of selling, ready to find the perfect open concept home on the Space Coast? That's where I come in. I'm Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast realtor, and I'm here to help you find the home that perfectly fits your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for an open concept beachside retreat or a modern family home with plenty of light and space, I know the best listings in Brevard County. Let's find your dream home. Give me a call today. Click my website link to view some homes today.